Hello my dear lovely students, welcome once again to all to the English online classes. We are stepping into the new poem that is If. Who was written this poem? It's nothing but Anand. Is that a name of any poet? No, it is not the name of any poet. Anand means anonymous, means we don't know who has written this poem. Who don't know the poet. Poet, whoever wrote this poem, didn't want to put his name. He didn't put it. Anan is something which or who we don't know, where we don't know the author, but from the collection of poems, it is one. Okay, now let's see the glossary. Bestow on someone means in formal use, give someone, that is ದಾನ ಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಾನ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Pain you can ease. The next one is pain you can ease. It is free someone from pain or worry. The meaning of pain you can ease is free someone from pain or worry. ವೇದನೆಯಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದಂಥ ನೋವಿನಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು. That is pain you can ease. So now about the title If. The title of the poem is If. What is the meaning of this? What is the topic of the poem? It is about giving. Giving is the main motive of this poem. Okay, let's see here. Giving is important in life. We all know that giving and sharing, it is very important. To give someone, To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong and charitable. You must not be hesitant. Here the meaning of charitable is mercy. Karune, daye athwa daya dharma, that is charitable. Okay, hesitant. The meaning of hesitant is unsure or slow in acting or speaking. That is hesitant. So my dear students, what is the meaning of this? What is the topic of this poem? The motto of this poem is, it is all about giving. If we are giving something to someone, we should be stable. We should be charitable. We have to be very kind of our nature. We have to be very kind by our nature. We need to cultivate that nature of giving. We should be very strong. We should not be like hesitant to give anything. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಪೋಯಮ್ದು, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಂದು ಹಿಂಜರಿಯಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. Now, what is the title of the poem? That is If. Okay, if we all know that if it is a conjunction, it joins two words or sentences, the word which connects the subject and the object. That is what? Yes, that is conjunction. Here in this poem, they want to connect the relationship between the man and his thoughts. This poem connects the relationship between the human beings. And the poet wanted to say that in this world, we all are get connected somehow. The living beings are get connected with one another in order to live harmoniously. So, the relationship between human beings is very important. That too with good and ethical thoughts. Okay, we should not think like bad for others. In this world, we don't know what is going to happen next, what happens in the next moment, right? Our life is very short. For now, we can see how we all are suffering from the disease that is corona, COVID-19. So we have to enjoy our life by giving or by helping someone with something what is possible for us. Okay, in order to give something to others, we ourselves must be very kind first. we have to be courageous, we have to be charitable. Means we should feel happy by helping others. We should not bother for that. If we are giving something to someone, after giving that, if we are bothering, means it is of no use. If we help others, we should not regret for that what we had done. We should not feel like, or we should not think like, I had given something to others. We should feel happy for that. If someone is in need, we should help them. That is our duty. That shows our nature. We have we have to not to wait for other moment to help someone. And so students, sharing is the main topic of this poem. Now let's read the poem. If you have a kind word to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there's good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. Now before it is too late, now is the time for a good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. Here you can see anon. Anon means it's nothing but we don't know who has written this poem, because that poet didn't want to mention his name. Anon means anonymous, that we don't know anything about the poet. Here it is all about the poem. Dear students, read this poem again and again. I will explain it to you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.